Hiccup. This is Berg, son. It's our home. It was the home of your grandparents and their grandparents before them. It's my job as chief to protect us, Hiccup. And one day, when you're all grown up, that job will be passed on to you.
A chief protects his own. Why couldn't I have killed that dragon when I found him in the woods? Would have been better for everyone.
Yep, the rest of us would have done it. So why didn't you? Why didn't you?
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him and I saw myself. "300 years and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon."
First to ride one, though.
You're the one. I love you too, and I want you to be free. I had to say goodbye to Toothless. That would be pretty sad. Go, Toothless. Go.
He always said you'd become the strongest of them all. And he was right. You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon. Only you can bring our worlds together. That is who you are, son.
So, what are you gonna do about it?
If I only could make a deal with God, not get him to swap our places.
It's you and me, bud. Always.
Be running up that hill with no problem. So if I only could make a deal with God, not get him to swap
Our world doesn't deserve you.
Be
Yet.
running up that road, be running up that hill.
Save him.
Sadness is a matter of perspective, Hiccup. It is how you choose to view something that makes it happy, scary, intriguing, or sad.
But with love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal. There's no greater gift than love.
You're right, bud. Next time. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted. I didn't think about what you needed. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves.